Looking for the ultimate monitoring app for Android devices? In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about uMobix for Android, from its incredible features to how it works. Stick around and don't forget to download your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, to level up your online safety. The link is in the description. Let's get started. uMobix is packed with advanced features tailored for Android users. It offers the most comprehensive monitoring tools to keep your loved ones safe. Here's what makes it unique. Live camera streaming. Access the device's camera in real time. Keylogger. Record every keystroke made on the device. Call and SMS tracking. Monitor call logs and read text messages. Social media monitoring. Track activity on platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and more. GPS tracking. Get precise locations and travel history. With uMobix, you're always in control. uMobix for Android is simple to set up and works in stealth mode. 1. Installation. Download the app directly onto the target device. It takes less than 5 minutes. 2. Activation. Log into your uMobix account and follow the installation guide to complete the process. 3. Real-time monitoring. Once installed, all data syncs instantly to your dashboard. The app runs invisibly in the background, ensuring the user doesn't notice it. uMobix goes beyond basic monitoring with these powerful Android-specific features. Access to deleted messages. Recover and view deleted messages. Remote app control. Block or manage apps installed on the device. Stealth mode. Operates completely undetected. Frequent updates. Data syncs in real time, ensuring you never miss a thing. Absolutely. The intuitive dashboard makes it easy for anyone to track activities. You can access it from any device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer. All updates happen in real time, making it reliable and convenient. Ready to protect your loved ones? Try uMobix for Android with a 7-day free trial today using the link in the description. It's the ultimate solution for Android monitoring. Don't leave without grabbing your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, for more tips on online security. Download it now using the link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you have questions about uMobix for Android, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the free ebook and trial link in the description. See you in the next video.